Okay, hi, I'm back. Just now we learned about how to do the trading account. So after we do the trading account, the next step is we will do the statement of profit or loss. Okay, SPL, to calculate our net profit or loss. So just now in trading account, we learn on how to we calculate the gross profit or loss. Okay, so for example, like after we calculate it, then we get the gross profit. So this gross profit we will bring to here, to the statement of profit and loss, SPL. Okay, so if you got the gross profit, so the gross profit you plus, okay, you add on to revenue, you plus revenue, and then you minus expenses. So the answer will be either net profit or net loss. So uh, when you minus it, when the gross profit plus revenue minus expenses, if the answer is positive, then you will get net profit. Means your revenue is more than your expenses. So when your revenue is more than your expenses, then you will get net profit. But if your gross profit plus revenue, then you minus the expenses, and your answer is negative, that means you got the net loss. Okay, that means your revenue is less than your expenses. Okay, so gross profit here, so this gross profit, I said again, this gross profit comes from trading account. Okay, so trading account, gross profit, you add the revenue. So this is the some examples of revenue. Okay, where all the things that we receive. Okay, revenue is something cost that we receive. Okay, for example, like rental receipt, that means that we give rent. Okay, maybe we rent our premise, part of our premise, and then we get rental receipt. Okay, that is our revenue. And then discount receipt means when we purchase things, then we get a discount for payment. That when we get a discount, that means it's our discount receipt we receive. Okay, and then the bad debts recover. Okay, bad debts is contract with the bad debts. The bad debts recover is comes from bad debts. Uh, um, I did say before, what is bad debts? Bad debts is our comes from our receivable, where our receivable, when we see it that our receivable uh, cannot pay what they owe to us. Okay, when they cannot pay, means we will consider it as our bad debts. When they cannot pay in maybe more than a year or 2 years or 3 years, then we will consider it as bad debts. Okay, so this is bad debts. Maybe our receivable is, our trade receivable is maybe bankruptcy, so don't have any money to pay, so we will consider it as our bad debts when they cannot pay. Okay, but bad debts recover, this one when they cannot pay, but maybe suddenly our trade receivable that bankruptcy just now, and suddenly they got money. Okay, they got profit again from their business, so they want to pay back what they owe to us, so it is our bad debts recover. Okay, so it's our revenue, we receive it again. Okay, so for expenses, so this is some example of our expenses. This is the insurance. Okay, so please remember, insurance and the insurance of purchases is really different. Okay, so this is insurance, maybe insurance for our vehicle, insurance for our premises. Okay, this is called as insurance. Our expenses, something that we pay. Okay, our rental pay, maybe we rent our premise. Okay, and then discount allowed, we give discount to our trade receivable. And then this is the bad debts, like I said just now, and carriage outlet. So please know the difference, that carriage outlet is our expenses, and also carriage inward is our cost of purchases. Carriage inwards means it's actually called as our transportation. Okay, it carriage inward. Okay, means when we buy goods from the outside, okay, means we purchase goods from the outside, and then they need to transport the goods into our stall, or our stall lah. Okay, so when they transport our goods into our stall, so it's called our carriage inwards, something that we need to pay. Okay, it's cost of purchases. For example, like when you go, your father and mother go to buy for example like television, or cushion. So this cushion they need to transport to your house. So this transportation cost where you need to pay, right? So it's called carriage inward. Carriage inwards, your cost of purchases. But for carriage outward means you bring it out, you transfer it out from your store to your purchaser or your receivable. Okay. So this is carriage outward. So when you plus revenue minus in expenses, so like I said, if your answer is positive, means you get a net profit. But if your answer is negative, you will get net loss.